Good afternoon. I am here to present my declamation entitled A Glass of Cold Water, hosted by Erlisa Matakot. Everybody, everybody calls me young, beautiful, and wonderful. Am I? Look at my hair, my lips, my red rosy cheeks, and a and my and a pair of bigger eyes. I remember somebody says that I look like my mother. But that's when she was young. Now, I'm much lovelier than she is. I'm a mortal Venus. Oops, the time's it. Let's get ready for the party. Beep, beep. Aha! Here they are. Yes, I'm coming. Child, are you still there? That's my mom. Child, are you still there? Will you please try to get a glass of cold water? Mama, I'm hurry. Please, child, try to get me a glass of cold water. Mama, try to get your own. Please, child, try to get me a glass of cold water. At the party, I danced and pressed the whole night. You see, I can leave the party at once. I have to dance with everybody who proposed to me. At last, the party is over. So very tired. Very, very tired. So, I went home to tell Mama what happened. Mama, I'm home. It's very quiet. Mama, I'm home. Nobody answers. Where is she? I look for her in silence, but she's not there. Where is she? Aha! In the kitchen! I saw Mama lying on the floor, dead, with the glass on her head. I remember she tried to get. Oh God! Just for a glass of cold water. Mama! Mama! That's all. Thank you.